Hey, welcome to Cooking with Frankie Meatball. What season is it? Football! That's right, guys. Football season is here. And one of my favorite munchies to have when I watch is chips and some Pico de Gallo.
Hey, I'm Kevin.
And I'm Johnny E. from Philly Rock Radio.
And you're about to get cooking
with Frankie Meatball.
I'm Frankie Meatball with the YouTube cooking show. I'm Frankie Meatball on the cooking chair with you. I'm Frankie Meatball every Wednesday a new show. I said it, you heard it, it is fun.
Hey guys, football season, hockey season. Love the munchies at this time, right? Nice putting out a spray, right? So, I'm going to teach you how to make a Frankie Meatball Pico de Gallo. What's a Frankie Meatball Pico de Gallo? It's just like regular Pico de Gallo. But you know Frankie Meatball's got to put some garlic in it and some olive oil. So guys, what I'm going to say is you want to get yourself some about medium-sized tomatoes. 4 of them we're going to use. We're going to cut them in quarters, okay? Cut all of them in quarters. Cut in half. Cut the halves in half. Make sure you have a bowl to put your trash and a bench scraper to scrape your trash. Because that's what I do. And you see here, you got all the what do you call them? The seeds. That's right. The hoof. So you got the seeds in here, right? You don't want that in your Pico de Gallo. At least I don't. So what I do is I take my knife right here where it starts and I just cut that out. Boom. See that? You get them out like that. And again, right there, see where it starts? Right there, see that? Okay, and you just run your knife right up and see how it just comes out. And then right up. All right, you got all your tomatoes cleaned up, right? So, you know, you don't want it too thick because, you know, you're going to put them on the chips. So make some, just kind of make some sticks out of them. You want to make sure you got yourself a bowl, all right? And you want to get your tomatoes, you want to dice them. Everything's got to be nicey, dicey, right? So, you know, nicey dice. Remember, when you're dicing them, you don't want them too big because they're going on chips, right? So, you know, nice little bite size, you know? You want to make sure when you get your tomatoes that they're nice and hard, okay? Because if they're soft, it just isn't good. So I'm over here, I'm done with the tomatoes. We're going to put our tomatoes in our bowl. You want a half of 1 medium onion, diced, okay? So we're going to, you know, remember how to do it with the lines, right? Look at that. It just makes life a hell of a lot easier. You go right through the middle, bada boom, bada bing. And then boom, 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 there we go. Look at that. Look at them onions, huh? And you just throw this in, boom. And right in your bowl. So that's a half of a medium onion. Boom. Stay right there. I need some gloves. There they are. All right. So anytime you're dealing with hot peppers, guys, put gloves on because you don't want to not put gloves on. Chop the peppers, then touch your eye. Forget about it. Be like you got maced, eh? You know what I'm saying? Or go to the bathroom, forget about it. You know what I'm saying? So always use gloves when it comes to hot peppers, okay? So we're gonna cut that off, throw that in there, boom, eh? We're gonna cut down, boom. I'm gonna use 2 small ones, okay? I mean, you want, like I said, you want it more peppery? You put more. You don't want it more peppery? Don't put more. It's your world. I'm just living in it, guys. Hey. So, I don't like this in there. The vein and the seeds. Same thing with your peppers that you did with everything else. We're just going to nicey dicey, okay? Julian, right? Julian up. After you dice them, run your knife through them. Just in case you missed a couple pieces, you get them, huh? Like I said, it's according to how hot you want it, you know? So me, forget about it. Here goes 2, huh? Forget it. Give me the heat. So you want a half a cup of finely chopped cilantro. So let's get our, once you chopped off the cilantro, clean it, run it under water, just bunch her up, okay? Bunch it up really nicey. And then we're just gonna chop it up. Half a cup finely chopped cilantro. Now, my favorite part, 2 cloves of garlic, boom, boom. Then we're just gonna chop it up. Hey, anybody got razor blade? We got our onions, right? We got our garlic, our cilantro, our jalapenos, and we got our tomatoes. Okay? We're gonna do a little bit of oil. Trust me, it puts that little boom on it like the garlic does, right? So just give it a little more. All right, so you get your lime, 1 juice of a lime. You put it in, right? And squeeze, look at that. We're gonna do some salt. Don't forget your salt, all right? Some fresh ground pepper. That's the only way you get that taste. That like that real good pepper taste, it's gotta be freshly ground. Now you can mix it with your hands. I'm gonna use one of these, just gonna mix it up. Now if you taste it and you're like, you know what, I need a little more salt, boom, put a little more salt. You want a little more pepper, boom, you put a little more pepper. Remember, it's your taste buds, it's your world. Meatball's just living in it, all right? So, me personally, you don't have to, but me personally, I'd like to chill it maybe an hour or 2 before I serve it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go put this in the fridge. I'm gonna chill it and I'll be back. Woo! I'm ready for some game time, guys. Look at this. This is my favorite, guys. It's been chilling 2 hours. It's got just enough crunch. The tomatoes are really good. You taste that lime, that cilantro, and the hint of that garlic. Oh man, it's so good. Oh, what do I say, guys? The fresher the better. Forget about it, guys. Email me your address and I want to send you a Frankie Meatball sticker. You can put it on your car. You can put it on air. You can put it anywhere you want. Give it to your neighbor. Give it to your mother-in-law. Give it to your mom. Give it to your dad. Give it to the dog, because everybody likes Frankie Meatballs, hey? So, guys, if you like what you saw, hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that bell notification button so you get notified every time I put out a new video. Wednesday, 6:30, 7 o'clock, guys. You will see new videos. Don't forget my Teal Day competition, my chili cook-off. If anybody's interested, please email me. Let me know what's going on. You got a request? Email me. I will do it. Give you a shout out. Guys, don't forget to check out my guys, PhillyRockRadio.com. They play the band on the rock. Guys, I'm telling you, have a sticker. I want everybody to have a sticker. It's sticker madness. Forget about it, huh? It's a Frankie Meatball production.